Hey guys, gonna go over some stuff here real quick. We're gonna look at all the pre-market gainers. We're just gonna go down each one real quick. This looks like a buyout. So if you ever see that chart, showed right here, good little move over the tops at this breakout. I did not make it to the 78 because there's just a lot more attention on another stock. BKKT was like garbage. PHG made a good move at the open one more time. It was just down trailing all morning. And if I draw fibs, that's the first run up, and I'm looking for the second one, and it's downtrending again. When it is on a full downtrend, I've only noticed target one pops. So that's just from me to you. CBSA, same thing, big fight right now. Like a dumb party here, just trying to touch the VWAP, a lot of sideways. I'm going to reset my alerts at over the 640 area again, but I don't know. It had a micro float. It really didn't want to go. It didn't make that pop at the open. So if you're right before the open, if you'd have got that move to target 2, that was the easy one. And this one right here, break of the same exact fib levels to target. Those were happening in minutes. Mullen made a couple good moves. About to make one right here, I guess, because it looks like it wants to break VWAP and break over these levels right here and go up again. We will see that 403 is the big resistance area. So, really wouldn't enter until it broke over that, tested that, and then broke that area. Because right here, it's just been banging on it the whole time, but it's had a lot of run up from the early pre-market highs. And these are also people just selling off as these people are moving up. People miss this big sell off because they got close to the highs again. Some of those people missed that, but look at that big sell off. Some people are holding shares, reverse split stock about a week ago. So if you're going to set any alerts, I'm going to set them at the 403 area. That it would have. It really hasn't. It popped that, but it didn't break it ever since then. SLLO, I didn't see this one, but here's the run up on pre-market, and then today with about 50,000 shares, but apparently it's worth a lot more than we think because people are willing to pay $5 more today for that stock. Cent, that was the pre-market one that it looked like it went up and it went back down. This was the breakout level. I drew these fibs. I did not take any of these trades, not going to lie, but I did draw the fibs here, and here's what played out the rest of the time. So it's a small penny stock. I don't like it because I don't know. I just don't like them. So, that's all I can tell you. But here you can see easy retrend right back up and then a breakout again. Right now at the pre-market high. So it should finish the 6 cents. And, maybe if you got the 48 cents, that's like $48 to $60. I'm just not going to put that much because I don't know. It could go down garbage. I don't know what kind of news it has. Let's look at it real quick. A Surrey Supply 3-print agreement. All right, whatever. All right, but we're trading this kind of stuff all day long. I just don't like calculating how many shares that for me to make a lot of profit. But the pattern's there. It went up to target 1 pretty quick. That's an impulse move. Downtrended here. You'll see the downtrend real fast. And then a retrend here at breaking a VWAP, and everything else looks good for this move. And then this one move once it broke there. So all good. Let's see the big winner of the day, NKGN. Yeah, it didn't do anything after the pre. See, so when somebody gets excited right here, I remember somebody getting excited. I think I was right here because I missed this ascending wedge here, made that move, and it didn't make it again, even if it's a low float. And then IBRX was the baller of the day. I think that 10 area is still that key area. Now it's finally breaking down to the 944 level. That was basically resistance from earlier this morning when it broke here, went back down, and then broke out. And we're still looking for maybe 1125 move if it looks good the rest of the day. So again, you can put some alerts here if it kind of just creeps up and sneaks up. But otherwise, this is a big, long weekend hold. We'll check out the price on Friday and see if it was worthy. But yeah, here's your easy move. Let the stock prove itself and then go down. And this would have been your first move right here on this one right here. And then came back and reproved itself. A little challenge here and then broke again. So that could have been a double top just as well here. So, until buyers really step in, they don't go. And the good thing is, see, it's now breaking down to that 944, and it did do that 10 level that I said earlier. So I said, look at 10 for a quick break. and then 944 for a bounce. And if it doesn't bounce here, no big deal, just way too much. So we'll look at the Friday as well. I'll just look at it 1 hour. It's going to be quicker to look at that. And this is Friday to today. Massive moves. I think Tim Sykes called this at 769. Killer move. $3 this morning. That's pretty dang good. So very good rise. And we'll just look at that was the nice base. That was the breakout over this on Friday. That was really good. Yeah, all looks like a nice chart. And this is a 1 hour, so you'll see that big wick when it was actually pretty big move, but it definitely stair-stepped the whole time and is still holding its gains to a point. But these are the S&R levels that I put on my chart every day. I would advise doing that or finding a subscription or be able to go maybe back to the daily and see if this is the daily chart of this one. And we'll probably see, I guess 2-3 touches at the same area. Same thing here, big play here. So, hey, y'all have a great day. If y'all need any help, reach out. I do private lessons one-on-one. I'll be glad to help you out anytime you need. Basically to see the basics of a chart, all the way to the super details of how I trade, and with a little 4-step system that you can feel very confident getting in a trade anytime during the day, no matter what time. So y'all have a great one. Thank you so much.